meghalayapost.news.
Kayang Bishar Badan Burom jangka Meghalaya High Court mendakasi kelasong bantian Bishar Halor kejing ujor jangki Nongdie Madan lingba ka Meghalaya Street Vendors and Hawkers Association kebala ikun persya ya Jingthmu jangka sarkar jela ban Kynriah Ïaki na kejaka bagi jusong bandi jingde khamtam hagathan kendai lar police bazar Haga jingpian Bishar mendakasi ka kunhon babaro arliang mamla kilapun i yala kinia ki jutang ban pensyong nongrim ya ke jingkam jugi tat hado ba kayeng kasri hadi mala Bishar bnia la Bthah ban Thung no da special officer ban wat bnia ne Bishar ben pabin halor ke Jingthmu pen Kynriah Ïaki Nongdie Madan na sarkar jela bar ke jing khun joki Nongdie Madan halor ke tigarai wala Bthah yu ni ka officer ban wan ra ya ke jingtep baro ha ke hearing ke ban salong ha banai nailar nakaliang legal council upi yobin ulai thu ba ke jingtian Bishar kan salong biang hau banai banwan kata ha katuyo banikong jo banai nailar ha ka ba on sa Bishar bnya ya ke jingsyam ba jingdokit lingbao special officer
Meghalaya Progressive Hawkers Union have moved the division bench of the Honorable High Court in a pending PIL matter, because if you see that the past 2-3 days there was an eviction happening, and then the manner in which it was happening, we thought that is it's against the sense the right to protection and the livelihood of the Hawkers Act, and the Hawkers Union have been raising objections also, saying that that your system of giving the vending license, which we call it VOC, is also not correct, not in place. So these are the things that, and in the process was going on, claims and objections are places are going on. The authorities have been submitting reports after reports to the court, which we felt that it is just misleading the court. So that is the reason why we have moved by interlocutory applications, requesting the court, complaining to the court, look, your orders has been misread, misinterpreted, and in the garb of this, they have been conducting an eviction, in the garb of checking the licenses, that we conducting evictions and so on and so forth. And all these allegations are denied by the government through the Advocate General in Toto, and the court have directed today appointed a special officer, senior counsel of this Honorable High Court. Now the senior of the special officer will give its report, claims, counterclaims, licenses, not licenses, the vending areas, all this. The special officers, the special officer will be submitting the reports to the court. So this is what some substance happened in the court today. This is returnable in the first week of August.
Okay. So today, as such, the court only has admitted the case.
Nothing has happened in the sense that very substantial has happened. As I just said, that the court has appointed a special officer who is also a very reputed member of the Bar Association and also senior designate of the High Court itself.
So the special officer has to be to submit his report, right?
Yes, he has
so
to.
So by when has he will he submit his report?
I think the next the court before the next date of hearing.
So next date, is it fixed?
It is fixed, but I can't recollect the date exactly. But it's somewhere in the month of August, first week of August probably. The court has not given as such. Now it is the ball of the special officer first, and then the court made it very clear also that those who have a vending license can continue. And I'm here to meet with the members of the association. We'll analyze, we'll examine the order. As I just came out from the court, so as of now, it's a little difficult for me to say anything. Also, comment on the order, also directions. Also, I need to sit with my clients.
But is there any stay on this enforcement?
Yeah, per se there is no, as such there is no stay. The court category did not say, but the fact that but the first identifying thing has to be done, because the court says that there are around 300 licenses will be given. Those who have been left out can apply in accordance with law, and the authority will consider the application in accordance with law. So these are the things happened. So no specific order as to hawkers can continue or you cannot continue, or the continued drive will happen or not drive will happen. Because I said specifically, because it's not a shifting. I said it's an eviction.
Okay.
So if it's an eviction, then it is very illegal, because the law, under the protection law, does not give for eviction. You have to protect this. Yes, relocations, but this is a very different issues, because if I talk all this thing, then a TVC, then even the guidelines itself, there's a flaws in the guidelines itself, but still then we have overlooked all this because we wanted to cooperate. We want to have a participatory approach with the government, but then since allegations of the union is that as brief to me that even the licenses is not happening in accordance with law. There is a favoritism. There's not fairness in the distribution itself. So this is what I have been briefed with. So much highlight can be given to you by the members of the association who are there in the ground.
MeghalayaPost.news